You are their dream girl or guy. This individual can't seem to get you off their mind, even when they're hanging out with their friends. They always seem to mention your name. They always seem to bring up something that you both shared together, like maybe a conversation, maybe when you went out, or if some of you are not dating this person in the now, this person always seems to bring you up. They always talk about how amazing you are, your qualities, what you do, how you make them feel. And even their friends are noticing that there's been a shift within this individual because this person may have started to change their image. They're starting to really focus on themselves, building themselves up. In the past, I feel like this was an individual that wasn't really focused on relationships. It's almost as if they felt like a relationship would be a trap to be in, but there's something about you that's made this individual change. This person's always been ambitious. This person could be very successful in their career, but there's something about your energy that's making this individual want to level it up a little bit more or so much more. And I feel like one of the key factors as to why this person wants to impress you is what I'm hearing, but wants to do better and be better and commit to some of you is what I'm hearing in the now. And this is a person that turned their back on commitment. Maybe something happened in the past, or this person was very immature. It's like I didn't want to grow up. But you have triggered this individual to mature, to think about being in a partnership with someone. This person was very focused on themselves because they felt like to be in a partnership with someone would mean that they will have to share their emotions. And they weren't ready for that. They were happy to be a bachelor or a bachelorette. But there was something about you that made them feel that they need to make that change. And I feel like for some of you, it's because you walked away. It's almost as if you came into this individual's life and you gave them a dose of your magic. And this person feels like you put them under some type of spell. And it's not about you putting them under some type of spell. It's because you carry a certain energy whereby you make them feel as if life continues regardless if you want to be in my life or not. There's a nonchalant energy that you possess, even if deep within you could be hurting, right? Because I feel for some of you, there's a lot of emotions that you feel for this individual too, because we've got the 8 of Cups. And I feel like this person may have hurt some of you and you were forced to walk away. And maybe this individual is so used to people fawning over them because of their position, because of their career, because they look good, they smell good, they got that expensive energy, they're sophisticated. They're used to having their pick and choose as to who they want to date, right? But so do you. You're used to it too. And they feel like they've met their match. They feel like you are so humble, so down to earth, so witty, charismatic. You carry a lot of magic within you, but it's almost as if you're taking your magic away. And because you removed yourself, they're craving that energy. And you could be very down to earth, humble. There's a contrast between yourself and this individual. I feel like this person may take themselves very seriously and you don't, even though you could. And they know that, and this person feels like there's something sneaky about you, and they feel as if you have the capabilities of hurting them by maybe getting into a secret connection because they know you're a catch and they feel like you have the traits that they've looked for in a person, but they didn't feel for my masculines that they will ever find. You're ambitious, hardworking, you take care of yourself, you look good, you smell good, you're independent. You have a lovely personality. You're very stable, grounded, and they love it. They literally feel like they've met their ideal partner, their dream guy or dream girl. And they feel like you could be leading a double life. And they need to seize this opportunity with you. You know, make it be known that they want some type of commitment with you. For some of you, they may invite you out to a celebration, a get together, because this person feels so deeply for you and their emotions are maturing. They may want to ask you out on a date, to go out to a bar or something of that sort, to really get an opportunity to connect with you. You know, this person finds you to be very intriguing, very emotionally intelligent. They feel like they've met their match. They have met so many different people from all over the world, but no one like you. Not someone that ticks all the boxes, not someone that they can actually have a conversation with, whereby when they walk away, they feel like they've learned something. You know, they feel like they've been seen. They feel like they can emote without being judged. It's a beautiful experience that they feel. And they see you as very fun, very eccentric, like a rebel. You know, you march to the beat of your own drum. You make up your own rules. But you don't hurt anyone and you don't hurt yourself. If you say you want to do something, you go out there and do it. They find you quite shocking but exciting. They find your energy to be electric, very surprising. They don't know what they're going to get next when it comes to you. You keep them on their toes. You're unpredictable. And they want to move into your direction and they want to invest in you. They see you as very eccentric, very bubbly, very witty. You know, you have that energy whereby it's very fun loving. You have a very cinematic look to you. And you're not afraid to give your time. You're very generous. You're a lot of different things all in one. Very stylish also. And you have depth. You have heart. And you are a forever student. Some of you could be studying right now in college or university. Or some of you could just be focused on your role, your work. You're down to earth. You don't really take yourself seriously, even though they take you seriously. Because you're humble. You're very balanced also. You have a lot going on and they just admire how you are able to hold so much things down. And it makes them feel a little bit insecure, like, where would I fit into all of this? They feel inadequate in certain cases, like you show them up. They see you as a boss, a queen, someone regal, someone stunning, someone powerful. And it's like, how can someone have all these qualities all in one? You know, this is the Queen of Wands. They see you as exotic, beautiful, natural. Some of you may not wear a lot of makeup, but you may wear minimal makeup and it enhances your beauty. They see you as real. And they find you to be very healing. But they know that certain things will have to come to an end if they were to make that move towards you. You know, they definitely know that certain cycles will have to be cycled out. And this could include the way that they viewed relationships. They will have to look at the ways that they may have held back, may have invested into the wrong people, the wrong things, may have allowed certain fears to block their vision. It's about this individual coming to terms with what they want. You know, there's a lot of inner conflict that this person feels, because it's almost as if you are the right person, but it's the wrong time. For some of you, this person could be married. For others of you, this person is single. But this person feels like regardless of what choice they make, someone's going to be hurt. You know, they may feel like, okay, if I take this leap of faith, even though I met my dream guy, my dream girl, tick all the boxes, what if it doesn't work out? I'm going to be left feeling heartbroken. But if I don't take this opportunity, then you, my dear viewer, may connect with someone else, because with a high vibration like yours, it's only a matter of time you're going to connect with someone else. So they feel at a standstill. They feel burdened also. And so they may choose to act very stoic and detached and a little bit cold. They may distance themselves from you in the hope that these feelings disappear. But it won't be long until they're going to rush back, because they are going to try and hold back. But spirit may block them from coming around you, because there is healing that this person needs to focus on. And this person finds you healing. And they may also hold back, not because they don't want you, not because they don't like you, because they may feel like they're trying to protect themselves from you. Because if they come towards you too prematurely, they'll spoil what they're trying to create with you, because they know that they need healing, and they feel like you're too precious to come into your life and disrupt your peace, because they see you as their dream partner, their dream guy, their dream girl. This person manifested you in, and it came as a shock that you actually appeared in full form. Whenever they're around you, they feel like they're in a dream, because they are simply in love with you.